Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make creamy vegan ricotta cheese, a versatile plant-based alternative. First, soaking your nuts is the crucial initial step for achieving that incredibly smooth, dairy-like texture we are aiming for. You will need 1 cup of raw cashews or blanched almonds. Simply soak them in hot water for at least 60 minutes. Alternatively, a cold water soak overnight for 6 to 8 hours works perfectly. This simple preparation ensures your ricotta will be wonderfully soft and easy to blend. Next, gather all your ingredients, including the soaked nuts, fresh lemon juice, apple cider vinegar, some water, and essential seasonings. These core components are fundamental for creating that signature tangy and slightly salty flavor profile that perfectly mimics traditional ricotta. Using freshly squeezed lemon juice is paramount. It truly ensures the brightest and most authentic taste in your final plant-based cheese. Prepare your high-speed blender, ready for the next step in this simple process. Now it is time to achieve that perfect texture. Combine your drained, soaked nuts with 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt in a high-speed blender. Begin blending on a low setting, gradually increasing the speed and adding water, 1 tablespoon at a time, until the mixture starts to smooth out. Your goal is a thick, slightly coarse consistency, very similar to traditional ricotta, so avoid overprocessing it into a completely smooth paste. Now for the exciting part, seasoning your ricotta to perfection. Take a small spoonful and taste your freshly blended mixture, then adjust the salt, lemon juice, or even the apple cider vinegar to suit your personal preference. For an extra layer of savory depth, consider adding 1 clove of finely minced garlic or 1 tablespoon of nutritional yeast during this stage. Fresh herbs, such as chopped parsley or basil, can also significantly elevate both the taste and visual appeal, making it truly irresistible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.